In this video, I'm going to show you how to find chess.com blogs quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to read posts from other members, explore the chess.com community, or just browse the latest blogs in one place, this is the guide for you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech and website tutorials. Let's get started. First, open chess.com in your browser and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the site, look at the left sidebar and find the Community section. You'll recognize it by the three-person icon. Hover over Community to open the menu. This is where chess.com groups together community features like forums, clubs, and blogs. After the menu expands, click on Blogs. This will take you directly to the chess.com blogs page, where you can browse blog posts created by users across the platform. If you want to see content from everyone instead of just a limited selection, look at the top of the page and click the All Blogs tab. That switches the view so you can explore posts from all members. From here, you can scroll through the available blog posts, open anything that interests you, and read updates, thoughts, game analysis, and chess-related stories from the community. If you're looking for a specific type of blog, you can keep browsing through the page, or use the available filters and navigation options depending on what chess.com shows you. So the process is really simple. Go to Community, click Blogs, and then select All Blogs if you want to see everything. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you find chess.com blogs, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.